Hey Chicmas, day 9. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today was really chill, just at home. I was planning on going to TJ Maxx, but that didn't end up happening. So maybe tomorrow I'll do that because we do have some errands to run. All I did really today was work, clean up, put away laundry, vacuumed. You guys know that feeling when you see everything's put away and it just looks very satisfying. So that's how I felt today because I put everything away. So excited and very grateful that this item arrived. Finally, I've been waiting for it for probably the last, like month and a half. And it is my new iPhone. It was definitely time for an upgrade. This is actually Jonathan's phone. So I had the 7 Plus and I've had that for a very long time. There was nothing really wrong with it, but then we were able to do the upgrade plan, you know, or not upgrade plan, the trade-in, where you could trade in your old phone. So this one is going back to them. We were able to get a pretty good deal on it. That is, of course, if everything passes with, you know, the whole inspection, you know, hopefully we'll get the full amount for the trade-in because there was nothing wrong with it. Let me know if any of you have done this because I felt so dumb at first. People at AT&T told me that it happens all the time. So when my mom and Jonathan received their new phone, from what I was told, I guess I misunderstood, I thought the label in the box that comes in the phone, I thought that that was the one that you're supposed to send back with your old phone that you're trading in. Unfortunately, their phones went to the wrong place, and then finally now they just received it. I think after like 3 weeks it was finally rerouted to the correct department, and the whole time I was so nervous because I was thinking, what if the phones get lost and then we're out like what, $350 or $300 credit for each phone. Thankfully, when I checked in yesterday, they said it was on the right track. They have it now. It's just going through the process of being checked. Yes, we are just going to unbox this together. So, dang, this is not even packaged well. I mean, they could have at least put more bubble wrap in here, in my opinion. Here's my new phone. Open it together. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's finally here. Sorry, I'm like so happy. Oh goodness. So I got the 12 Pro. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. And I love the back of this. Look how sleek it looks, right? Jonathan's phone is an 8. Let me see like the size comparison. I mean, it's, yeah, it is larger than the 8, but I believe this is the same size as the 7 Plus. And I'm used to the bigger phones. When you slap this case on it, it's like practically the same size. This is the case I ended up getting from Amazon. I'll link it down below, but at least this one, it's pink. Okay, the bumpers are a mauve pink, and then the inside border is like a baby pink. So this is more like it. I'm a lot happier with this. I already know that the case is basically going to cover the really beautiful gold bumpers, but I have a very bad habit of dropping my phone. Kind of been training myself with the 8 not to drop it, and thankfully, knock on wood, I have not dropped this phone once. Let's just admire it for a second while it doesn't have the case on it because it is very pretty. Let me know if you have a 12 or a 12 Pro. What are your thoughts on the front facing cameras? You know, on like say the 8s or even the 7s. I don't know about the other model iPhones, but I remember like on this iPhone, the front facing camera is just horrible in my opinion. But when I tried the 12 on Jonathan's and my mom's phone, I was like, wow, it's a lot better. It's like a big upgrade on the front camera. Even on a live, in my opinion, I think it looks way better than... I feel like I was doing like a, you know, like a foundation review, you know, moving my head back and forth. Good? All right, cool. So is it gonna recognize me when I don't have any brows on? You know what time it is? It is tea time with Tin. So let's start by pouring our water. Uh-oh, I spilled some. But that's okay, at least it's just water. From the English Tea Shop Advent Calendar, day number 9. And day number 9 is right up here. Let's see. Ooh, I almost read the top of it, so I'm trying not to look at the name because we're trying to guess it, right? It smells woodsy. Superstar Anise. Yeah, we had this one. Organic black tea with ginger, cloves, and star anise. And brewing is 4 to 5 minutes. So let's let this steep. Open one of the Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour chocolate truffles, and day number 9. Lucky number 9 is right here. Ah, it's the same. Peach Bellini. Damn it. It's okay. Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar. Day number 9. Okay, day number 9. Our joke of the day. What does a baby corn call their dad? Give up? Popcorn. I'm gonna send that one to Darren. Today's popcorn. Banoffee pie popcorn? Banoffee pie popcorn. Banoffee pie popcorn. Curious what this is gonna taste like. I know that there are many cases with, you know, just the bumper and then the back cover, but I also just wanted a cover for the front. My mom was pointing out that you can't see the gold border, but I figured, you know what, this will do for now. If I find another case where say it's clear or something, I can always switch to that instead, but I'd rather protect the phone. Comment below if you have an iPhone, and also if you do, what type of iPhone, like what model do you have? Because honestly, like looking at this iPhone, and which is the 12 Pro, and then looking at my mom and Jonathan's, which is the 12, they pretty much look identical. So I'm just curious, like what's the difference with the 12 Pro, because I have no idea. Let's go ahead and try our tea. This one's good. Eat Peach Bellini for the 3rd consecutive day. I don't think I mentioned it, but 5 pieces equals 150 calories, so it's about 30 calories per chocolate, which really isn't bad. Then let's try the Banoffee pie popcorn. Oh, this is supposed to be like banana cream pie or banana coffee. It smells like bananas and coffee. I think that's what it is. Jonathan will like this. He's probably gonna wonder what is Banoffee. Might think it contains cinnamon, but it doesn't. So let's read some comments from Chicmas day 7. XXX Cherry Sakura XXX. Hi Eileen. Nice Walmart haul. Oh, the Dove Snow Blossom. I always try the new ones. Right now I'm using the Purifying Detox with green clay. Ooh, the hot cocoa kisses are so good. The ghostly green looks good. I don't mind the rose taste. I tried rose milk tea before. It's pretty good. So thank you, Eileen, for commenting. You know what? I probably have to give rose milk tea a try. I know I've seen it, but you know, it's kind of like one of those things when I see it, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I should try it. At least once in my lifetime, try rose milk tea. I really, really appreciate you leaving a comment and also commenting your favorite tea. And we have Audrey 3NN3. Hi Audrey, bad Advent day. And then she also says, love your content, been watching you, it seems like forever. Oh, thank you so so much, Audrey. I really appreciate the love. The advent calendars is really a hit or a miss. We've eaten the same chocolate from the Trader Joe's cocktail hour advent calendar 3 days in a row now. At this point, kind of over the peach Bellini. I'd rather try a different one instead. I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas Day 9 here. Tomorrow we do have errands to run. Actually, we have a bunch of errands to run, so it's gonna be a busy day tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed hanging out today and enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 10. Mwah.